Alright, so there's something I want to show you while I'm traveling, or I was traveling. Let me show you what was going on here. So if I were to search on Google, okay, checking stocks, and then usually they'll show me the news here. Right now you can see this is in English, and that might be because I searched that earlier. But let's see if I type like that, okay? You can see, like, this stuff is all in Vietnamese, okay? But my language, if I show you here, let me move this thing down real quick, sorry. Okay, so if I go up here, if I go into the account here, and I go to my settings and language, you can see the search language is English, so it makes no sense. So it turns out, because if you're traveling, it detects what country you're in. It's going to go to the default of what you're in. So I'm going to actually change this to United States. Okay. And then that gives you the actual United States states search. So let's see if I have to reset anything or if it'll fix itself. There you go. And now I search the same thing. And you can see now it's in English and giving me US news. Okay, so if you're having that issue, that's how you would fix it. Depending where you travel, obviously it's going to be in different languages, but that's how I fixed it for mine. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.